What's up, you guys? Jaden here with Moonlight Craftsman channel. Hope you guys are doing well. On this video, I'm going to apply some spray foam insulation down at my metalworking shop and kind of do just a little bit of review with some application tips. So here we go. So the spray foam insulation that I'm using right here is a fire rated insulation kit, Froth Pak 210. Gonna open it up, see what's inside. So this is your gun right here. This doesn't have a nozzle in it right now. Pretty simple plastic. There's your two bottles, part A and part B. It comes with extra nozzles because the foam insulation can harden. Takes about 30 seconds. So that's just kind of a straight bit right there, tip right there. That's a fan shaped tip, which that's what I'll be using. Then it comes with this petroleum jelly that if for some reason you want to stop for a while, you can put that petroleum jelly inside the gun and place the old tip back on there, and it'll keep it sealed tight for your next use. So you want to make sure you read the directions on here real close. You got to find the English first, but it tells you to shake it up real good. And I'd be sure to get you some throwaway overalls, Tyvek coveralls, because it can get a little bit messy. Not as messy as you might think, but still good to have. Protect your clothing here. I got some overalls now, so I want to protect those. I was tired of editing out the butt crack shots, so I got these overalls for future videos. So when you get started, you turn the bottles on, obviously. And then the directions say to purge the lines without a nozzle tip in there first. It says about 10 seconds, but I think 5 seconds is pretty good. It does say in the directions that, it says over and over about making sure the temperature of the bottles is around 75 degrees, but then it kind of contradicts and says, at least 65 degrees. But there I just purged it and then cleaned it out with a paper towel, and now inserting the nozzle right here. Got to push real hard and it'll click into place. So the shop right now, it's about 60 degrees in the shop, and I found that that worked pretty well. I was storing these bottles at above 75 degrees in my garage, and mainly you just watch for the color. You'll be able to tell if it's getting the right ratio. Part A to part B, just by the color mainly. Kind of a yellowish tan. It goes on pretty easily, and I think it's pretty good to use for direct onto metal applications. And it's kind of contradictory what you look up on the internet, but I'm going to leave this exposed. I think it's fine. It says, don't expose it to anything above 200 and some degrees, which I don't plan on doing that. And, I got some I-beams right here, and some angle iron and stuff. And just insulating those ribs with other forms of insulation would be kind of hard. So right here, I've let it sit for more than 30 seconds, so that'll harden up in that tip. but real easy to change. Just pop that yellow tab at the top, pops right off. Pop a new one back in and you're ready to go. So that's pretty simple. And then this is looking at, the kind of job it does. I did a couple other bottles earlier in the year, and so this is about an inch or inch and a half thick, and we'll see here. It doesn't get too, you can get pretty accurate with it. Right there, I got, tried to stay away around an electrical box. I kind of wrapped these with saran wrap, these, the springs on this garage door, and that, just a little bit of saran wrap, and, protects that. And as you can see, like right here, that's where that spray foam insulation does a real good job. There's corrugated steel right there. It gets into every nook and cranny. So I would recommend it. It's a little expensive, but hey, try it out. Thanks for watching, guys, and be sure to like and subscribe and share this with somebody that you think is interested in doing some spray foam insulation. Thanks.